Hi, good morning, guys. We are overdue for like an update here. As you can tell, a lot of change since the last video. I'm gonna do a quick tour, but just things are still in motion here. I think we have maybe like another 3 weeks to a month to go. Range behind me has been delivered, which is super happy about this. The islands are looking good. Bar still in construction. But very happy about just the way the project is progressing overall. So let me do a quick tour. Then we have a busy day, packed. We're gonna go for a soccer game. I dropped Valentina this morning for horse show. Couldn't be there today, unfortunately, but yeah, so let me show you first the inside. Let's look into the house. All right, so that's the office. Obviously, we're gonna change the can lights. They're gonna be matching the color of the roof, and we're still missing the vent for the AC. But look at that paneling work here. Obviously, still a mess, but if you don't mind, just want to show you kind of like the progress overall. This is a brand new door. Changed totally the face of the house. You guys did a great job on the paneling work. Look at this, it's giant, but hopefully you can see everything here. Here's the work that has been done on the paneling. Obviously very French. Love the way it came out. We had to order here a special frame. It's a special molding that they had to order in to do the arches. And the trim on the top looked pretty good. And you have the chimney here. So that was custom built. And look at that frame here. So here we're gonna put a giant mirror. Should be looking very good. And love the details on that wall as well. So that is very good. Now, staircase, still a work in progress. I have to put the rails. But the colors and the paneling together just came out beautiful. So they stand the staircase last week, and I absolutely love that natural tone. And here we're gonna have herringbones. You can see just part of it, everything is covered because of the dust, but it's looking good. All right, now let me make a tour. All right, so those islands are progressing very well. So here's the fluted trim. So that piece here, we had to order and made custom. It's natural wood, it's beautiful. They did a great job. And then love the brass looking. So that's gonna be a beautiful island. And that's the fridge space. Catch up a couple of videos ago, I just posted the beginning of our journey and how this renovation has been now taking up to 10 months. So it's been a lot of disruption, I would say, for the family. A lot of great planning, a lot of talks about this for a month, but to be honest, so far, the execution has been totally on point with our expectations, so we're super happy about the way it's turning out. It's kind of like modern French style. We're bringing a little bit of California with us here in North Carolina, so we open up the wall, lift up the ceilings, and just like it's the house now, it's kind of like really feels very welcoming and very breathy. So pretty happy with that. So excuse the setup here. We're just like literally still in the middle of construction, but it's coming together. So now I'm gonna go and take Nolan to the soccer field. He has a game with his friends, and hopefully they have a win. They have 1-1 so far, 1 loss, 1 win. I think today is gonna be a tough one. Looks like they're facing a strong team, but hopefully we're gonna win this one. So okay, I will film those so you can see where we are, and we'll catch up a little bit later.
That's. Oh, nice, Nolan. Oh, nice. Oh!
All right, quick update. We just won the game, 2-0. So they played very well. I just will be posting some of the image of the game. But yeah, Nolan played on left wing. He actually took 3 shots on goals. One that bounced, and one of his teammates just pushed it back in. But it was good. He played very well. Good improvement overall. Just the technique, the passes, the positioning on the field. He's starting playing pretty good. It's nice, entertaining for me to watch from the sideline. So, all right, I think we got some work to do inside the house now. So we're gonna get that going. So next week should be another big milestone for the renovation at the house. We have the electrician coming and finishing everything. A dozen of big lights that will be installed next week. So that should really kind of like start putting a final touch to the house and the design. So very excited about this. All right, we are arriving at the farm. Let's go and pick up Valentina.
Goodness, okay, careful. Girl, wait.
How was it today?
Fun.
You had fun?
They just one of the fastest in the barn.
Yeah. Do you like to ride fast horses, you know?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's go.